too much of some things and not enough of others, just like all life lovers. Why changed and changed and changed and changed from one thing to another? I've had complicated dealings with complicated feelings, and I've cut and bruised and torn. I made lines on the windows of my mind with the time that my back once wore. I'm a single person in this universe, and I am here to say to you, on the day that I die, I'll just give a smile and fly into the blue. 'Cause we're all just protons, neutrons, electrons that rest on a Sunday, work on a Monday, and someday soon we'll be singing the old tune. Zippity-doo, da zippity-doo. I'll be sitting on the porch with you, then I'll die and I'll fly off into the blue. Some nights I see the world with its winds and its whirls, and I feel undefeated. But every day I see the girl with the strawberry curl, and I'm too shy to meet her. Some nights I go to bed, there's a ghost in the air above my head, and I tremble. Sometimes I eat KFC, other times I give up meat, and I just eat lentils. I'm a single soul on this big blue ball, and I am here to sing a song about the day that I was born till the day that I'll be gone. And the song won't last for long, 'cause we're all just protons, neutrons, electrons that rest on a Sunday, work on a Monday.